Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 8th, 2022. We have here 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 5 puzzles I will solve. I have already solved the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the binary, so 2 puzzles are left. Tectonic with 4 stars I will do, and a killer Sudoku. First I will solve this baby Tectonic number 4230. 4230. Okay, and what kind of Tectonic is this one? Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12. 12. Correction, 12 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Here also a single box, always a 1. Following question, dual box. Do we have here dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes, we see here 1 quadra box. Oh, sorry, triple box. Overlook this triple box, not quadra box, triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. And remember, when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, this box is always 4 or 5. All right. Then the following question, quadra boxes in this puzzle. Do we have any quadra boxes? I see here 2 quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those. But in this quadra box, these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then the following strategy, I cannot fill this further. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T-shape rotated. Let me draw the T-shape here. When you see the T-shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 there. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T-shape. Do we have more T-shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about? Let me see. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. All right. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have the L shape here. All right, the L shape. When you see the L shape, this box, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Draw the wrong box. Okay. So in this case, It's a 2. This box should be a 2. Okay. More L shapes? No. Oh, overlook this one. This shape is the same shape as that shape, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Overlook this one. Yes, overlook this one. Okay, the L shape. Then the following shape. Let me see. There's one shape left. Let me draw this first. Okay, there's one shape left. And that's this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, we have here 4 shapes, 4 figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more. I believe there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, yeah, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5 as a pair. That means that this 2 cannot be a 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. So now we have a 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Okay. Alright. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, wait. 2. 2. Well. 1, 5, 4, 2 or 3. Interesting. 1, 4, 5. I think this box should be a 2. Why? Because it can be 1, can be 4, can also not be a 5, and cannot be a 3. Why not 3? If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it can be a 1, can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. So 1 digit left should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and the 1. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can also not be a 5. We already have a 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, not a 3. Why? Because we have a double 3 and a double 4 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place a 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1 and 3. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So now we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. So this box can be a 4 and this box can be a 2. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means that this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. Should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. 30 minutes I need for 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? No. A 3 stars? No. I think it's rather a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Sudoku Mix, a.k.a. Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.